All the ceilings, right? How's that? You don't need to look so much. Watch that jib.
My name is Todd Fry, Director of Bonneville School of Sailing. I started sailing in Hawaii in '74 and just fell in love with the sport, the activity, the whole ambiance of being out on the water. Along with our Learn to Sail programs at Bonneville, we offer corporate team building.
Okay, pull.
It's a guaranteed fact of racing the Diamond of Doom. You're going to communicate, you're going to become tighter as a group, and you're going to return to the corporate office with a new bond that you haven't experienced anywhere else. We'll bring people out of the boardroom to get them away from that rather static environment to come out and get some action, get some adrenaline pumping where they can come out and enjoy their time out on the water, as well as learning how to get along with their colleagues in a different environment.
Somebody tell me what our commands are again.
Prepare to attack. Good. And then the crew has to respond, ready about.
Ready about. Helmsman says attacking. Okay.
Prepare to attack.
Ready about.
Ready about. Attacking. Good job!
Nice.
I just want one guy. I cast off, and you trim.
So the opposite side of the wind casts off to the other.
Alright, I'm gonna cast off.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah, he says.
okay. All right. Attacking.
Okay, pull.